So in the previous video we have learned that what is perimeter, that is the total distance around a closed figure. We have also learned how to find perimeter by adding all the sides of a figure. So today we'll learn how to find perimeter of rectangle and other regular figures using formula in our topic mensuration. So now let's take this following figure, that is ABCD. This is a rectangle. So how would you find a perimeter? Yes, by adding all the sides of this rectangle. So let's write over here perimeter of rectangle ABCD is equal to length of side AB plus length of side BC plus length of side CD and length of side DA. So after substituting the values, we have 15 plus 9 plus 15 plus 9. And what we get? We get 49 centimeter. But isn't this time consuming since we have to add all the sides? So that's why we use the formula. So now let's derive the formula to find the perimeter of rectangle. So now we'll be taking the same example of rectangle. So now tell me, which is the longest side of this rectangle? Yes, we have AB and DC, which are 15 centimeter. So let us write AB is equal to 15 centimeter and DC, which is also 15 centimeter, and both are longest sides of a rectangle. And we always take the longest sides of a rectangle as length of a rectangle. And we have the shortest side, that is the AD and BC, and we take the shortest side of a rectangle as breadths of rectangle. Let us write over here AD, which is 9 centimeter, and BC, which is also 9 centimeter, and we take the shortest sides of a rectangle as breadths of a rectangle. So now let us substitute this in the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to, since we have two lengths and two breadths, we write over here length plus breadth plus breadth. So we have two lengths and two breadths. So we write over here 2 lengths plus 2 breadths. We write the first letter of length over here and B for breadth. So what is common over here? Yes, we have 2 common over here, and we take it common and rest we put in a bracket. So we have length, which is uncommon, and breadth, which is uncommon. So we have the formula of rectangle to find the perimeter. So to find the perimeter of rectangle, we have the formula twice length plus breadth. So we don't need to calculate all the sides by adding again and again. So we can use the formula twice length plus breadth. So this is the formula to find perimeter of a rectangle. So let's substitute the values. So after substituting the values and adding length and breadth, we get here 24, and after multiplying 2 with 24, we get 48. Remember to put the unit. So we have 48 centimeter and we also have 48 centimeter. So this is the simplest way and the quickest way to find perimeter of a rectangle using a formula. So now let's take another example. So we have over here perimeter of rectangle ABCD is equal to, so we have the formula twice length plus breadth. So after substituting the value, we have length here 4 centimeter and breadth, which is a shorter side, 3 centimeter. So after adding the length and breadth we get 7, and after multiplying 2 with 7 we get 14 centimeter. So this is the shortest and the quickest way to find perimeter of rectangle by using the formula twice length plus breadth. So now we'll be finding the perimeter of some regular figures by using a formula. So the regular figures are those figures which have all the sides equal in length. So we have square which have all the sides equal. Then we have equilateral triangle with all sides equal. Then we also have a regular hexagon with all sides equal in length, all 6 sides. Then regular pentagon and many more. So now let's find the perimeter of square. We have the figure square with us. So to find the perimeter, usually we add up all the sides of a figure. So perimeter of square is equal to length of AB plus length of side BD plus length of side DC plus length of side AC. So after substituting all the values we get answer 12 centimeter. This is a long way where we can find the perimeter by adding all the sides. So now let's derive the formula to find perimeter of a square. So we have the formula to find the perimeter of square is equal to 4 into length of each side. So this is the formula. Similarly, we can find the perimeter of equilateral triangle where all the sides are equal, and for an equilateral triangle we can use the same formula, that is to find perimeter of regular figures. We can use the formula number of sides of that figure into length of each side. So the formula to find the perimeter of equilateral triangle would be, so all sides equal, so perimeter of equilateral triangle will be 3 into length of each side. So if this side is 3 centimeter, all sides will be 3 centimeter, and so the length of each side would be 3 into 3, which is equal to 9 centimeter. Let's take another example of an equilateral triangle with side 5 centimeter. So all 5 centimeter. So perimeter would be 3 into length of each side. So length of each side is we have, after substituting the value, we have the length of each side is 5 centimeter, so 15 centimeter. Similarly, we can find for regular hexagon, that is a figure with 6 sides. So the formula would be perimeter for regular hexagon is equal to 6 into length of each side. Similarly, for pentagon, 5 into length of each side, and all the regular figures. So this formula is only for regular figures, that is all lengths should be equal. Then only you all can multiply the length of each side with the number of sides. So in the next lesson we'll be solving some word problems based on these formulas. Thank you and have a nice day.